Good morning, day 2 of December. Look at that. It's still very early. The sun will take about another hour to rise. So I'm going to head back in, make breakfast for the children to go to school. So come with me. I'll come back to see the sunrise later. But it's very nice here. The air is crispy clean. You can see the dew on the grass around. There's so much humidity. But yeah, let's go make breakfast. Then we'll come back to see the sunrise and do some 1, 2, 3 together. So I'll be making here some cocoa and some blueberries and a toast. And for me, I have green tea with ginger and some lemon on it. Is what I'm going to have. But for the kids, the same. Breakfast done. Good morning. Good morning. Today is day 2 of December. Such a beautiful day. I'm going to unbox with you. I don't know where I'm going to put my phone to stand so I can. I got a dress for the unicorn shoes, small paddleless shoes. She always liked this mine, so I decided to get one of these for her. You know, she likes to match my shoes. Like here you can see, I have this. I got this for her. She'll be very happy when she sees this. I'm sure she'll be very happy. I got some tights here. What's here? Let's see. I'm sure it's something nice. I don't know, I said I should open it. Probably here from the top. But oh, beautiful candle. Look at it. Hello.
Hello.
You saw what I got for you? Look.
Oh, they're the same.
No, they're the same. The unicorn. You like it? They're the same.
Yeah, my unicorn slippers.
Good for my sister. Remember?
My unicorn is that.
No, this is for Maria.
It's so beautiful. My
I
picture.
have this nice, beautiful sweater. Oh, look, it also gave us a nice ribbon here. Oh, pretty nice, eh? Okay.
I'm going to put it on the hanger.
This one, the other box has kitchen stuff. I'm going to try to open it now. Be careful, there's a scissor there.
Maria's having my unicorn stuff.
Don't pop it. I hope now she'll let me do my things because it's very hard to work with her. Okay.
Here.
I'll remove the stuff from the box, I arrange, then I show you generally what I got. I think that will be easier for me. I'm back again. I'm done unboxing. I'm going to show you what I got. Okay, so here I have some pots, salt, sugar, tea, and some for candy. These pretty cool mugs. I love mugs, you know, I have a lot of mugs and I have some of them there. You can see my collection here. I love this because it says I love you to the moon and back, and it has beautiful flowers there. That's why I like it. And this, it's a Christmas mug. Nice. Here I got some containers to put cereals, flour, and rice, etc. kitchen stuff. I got 4 pieces of this and 4 pieces of these huge ones. And this is a pancake thing. You can make a pancake mixture and put it here. And then when you're in the pan, you just press like this. It opens from under and it lets the portion that you want to the pan, and you close it back. It's easy to make pancakes with it rather than scooping with a spoon, you know, the classic style. And this I can put here some cloves, you know, some little spices. They fit nice on these ones and these ones. I saw this pretty cool cookie jar and I also decided to get it because now it's Christmas time and we'll be making lots and lots of cookies. That's why I got this. And this also, you can put some extra teas here because we have lots of tea in our house. We drink lots and lots of tea. And this is nice. It has salt and pepper. This can be left on the table, you know, like that. And this, it's nice for, you know, having a drink here. It's pretty cool. I like it. So, and my last final pieces are these candles. They are all scented. This is cucumber cooler, and they smell very nice even without being opened. This has coconut vanilla, juicy watermelon, and banana milkshake. That's it. And this is my daughter's cup, the one she was holding and playing with. She likes it. And it has a unicorn here with a keychain. That's pretty much it. So the mugs I got, you know. And also I got this for the laundry area. This I can put here some powder, detergent powder, And here you can put the, you know, the salt, the pods, the salt pods. And here you can put also detergent on both these three will have detergents. I'll take them down. And this helps to remove the fibers, you know, the dryables. You have to put them on the dryer. Okay, that's pretty much it. Okay, so I'll see you later. I'm going to decide what I'm going to make for lunch. First I have to fix this. It's still early, almost 9:30. Okay, so I have time to fix this and then fix lunch. I'll catch up with you guys later. Hours I managed to do this. And the other side. I think it turned out well, yeah. Mission accomplished for fixing the cabinet with the things. I'm very happy for what I did. My most favorite thing about is this for sure. I love Max. This one is pretty cool.